COR friends, it's your friendly librarian Hillary checking back in with you again. And I just wanted to talk to you about a few COVID-related things related to the library. So in the tutorial, there was a link to this COVID guide about library services during COVID. So you can actually find that on the library tab of MyRenDragon under library links and resources. It's just a few up from where interlibrary loan is. That's a really good guide to consult because things change with COVID, right? So as I'm saying this, we're currently in the study in place. So all that information about what's happening is in that guide. The current information for library hours is always on the library tab of MyRenDragon. But that guide includes information on how to request books ordered, how to order books, and then just pick them up at the desk. Right? So that's really handy if you don't want to have to wander around the stacks looking for books and you just want in and out of the library really fast. It's super convenient and easy. So there are instructions on how to do that in that guide. Another thing that occurred to me is in the little activity that you did for me, the little escape room, nobody's wearing masks in the picture, right? Because those are all pre-COVID photographs, right? From those heavy days when we didn't all have to wear masks all the time. Makes me kind of wistful. Anyway, if you do venture into the library, please wear a mask, right? That seems obvious, but it's not like at a restaurant where you can just sit down and take your mask off. You actually need your mask on, even if there's nobody within 6 feet of you. Even if you're just sitting there studying, you need your mask on at all times. So please do yourselves a favor and do that, and do the librarians a favor, because nobody wants to have to approach you and ask you to please put on your mask. So please keep your mask on. Otherwise, please stay safe, and please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, take care.